Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create free videos, any kind of videos, even ones that look just like real movies. And the best part? You can upload them to YouTube and even start your very own channel. It's super easy and absolutely free. You don't need expensive software or any high-level skills. Just a few simple steps and your video will be ready. Stay with me till the end because I will guide you step by step. I will also share some secret tips to make your videos even better and more professional. You can create short films, motivational videos, cartoon stories, or anything you imagine. With the right effort, you can grow your YouTube channel fast and reach thousands of people. So don't miss it. Watch the full video carefully. And yes, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. It really helps me a lot. Also, share this video with your friends so they can also start creating amazing videos for free. Thank you so much for your support and get ready, because today we are starting an exciting journey together. First of all, you have to open ChatGPT. Also, open DeepSeek. Both websites are really good for generating stories. Now, after opening ChatGPT, I will type this. 2 girls and 2 boys are in a forest, and there is one dinosaur attacking them. Write a short story in English. After typing this, I will press enter. Here, I am just showing you which kind of story I'm taking. You can also create your own story if you want. It depends completely on you what kind of story you want to make. After that, I will type. Give me 7 detailed image prompts based on this story. I will copy these prompts and paste them into DeepSeek. DeepSeek can also create a story for you if you need. But in this case, I am using ChatGPT to generate the story and prompts. Now, after ChatGPT gives me all the prompts, I will move on to the next step. The next step is to open a website called Pixelmator. Pixelmator is a completely free website where you can download unlimited AI-generated images. It's a very amazing website for creators like us. Now, what I will do is, I will copy the prompts one by one from ChatGPT and paste them into Pixelmator one by one. Not rush. One by one, I will paste the prompts, generate the images, and download them. Remember, first I will copy the ChatGPT prompts, then paste them into Pixelmator. Once I have downloaded all the images, then we will move to the next step. How to create AI videos for free using these images. It's a very simple and easy process, and I will guide you step by step. Just stay with me and follow me carefully. Pixelmator is a great website that offers free tools for creating animated videos and cartoon characters. It's perfect for beginners as well as professionals who want to design engaging visual content without spending money. The platform is user-friendly and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, social media, or educational purposes, Pixelmator provides various templates and customization options. Overall, it's a valuable resource for anyone looking to make creative videos easily and for free. Right now, I am focusing on downloading all the images properly. One by one, I am copying the prompts and generating the images. No rush, slow and steady. After downloading all the images, we will move to the final step to make an amazing AI video using free tools. Follow me step by step till the end. Watch the complete video if you want to understand how we will create AI videos for free. If you skip, you won't understand. Now, follow me step by step. Now open Pixverse. It's a very good website for creating videos. You just need to log in with your Gmail account. Pixverse gives you 90 free credits daily. Using these 90 credits, you can create free AI videos easily. If you want more credits, you can create 4 to 5 Gmail accounts or even more, and you can get 400 to 500 credits daily for free. This way, you can make many videos every day without any problem. Now, look where my mouse is pointing. Click on that option. Then upload your image there. After uploading the image, I will type a small prompt. For example, I will write, children are walking, and some natural moments. Then I will click on the Create button. Now you can see my video is ready. It looks very nice and smooth. You can also Pixverse is an amazing AI video creation platform that allows you to turn simple images into stunning animated videos. It offers 90 free credits every day just by signing in with your Gmail account. With Pixverse, you can easily create professional-looking videos without any editing skills. It's user-friendly, fast, and perfect for beginners and advanced creators. You can upload your own images, add a prompt describing the action you want, and Pixverse will generate a beautiful video in minutes. Whether you want to make short films, reels, or animated stories, Pixverse is the perfect free tool to start creating today. Easily. Now I will take another image. I will upload it the same way. And again, I will write a different prompt. Remember, the prompt should match your image. Whatever action or scene you want to show with your image, you should type it according to that. Then upload the image, write your prompt, and click Create. Now, my second video is also ready. It was so easy, right? After creating the videos, I will download all of them one by one. Now, I will open CapCut. This is a very good software for video editing. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners. Inside CapCut, I will arrange my videos nicely, adjust them according to my style, add some music or effects if I want, and my final video will be ready. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I will bring another amazing new method for you. Stay tuned and keep creating.